If f of x equals 1/2 x plus 3, which statement is always true? F of x is always negative or positive, or not always, but if x is negative, then f of x is negative, or if x is positive, f of x is positive. Which one of these four? And so what we're going to do, we're going to pick some numbers like 1. 1's a positive number and see what happens. Here's your function. In place of x, plug a what? 1. Now half of 1 is 1/2. 1/2 times 1 is 1/2, plus the 3, that's 3.5, which is 7/2. Anyway, it's a positive number. 3 times 2 is 6, and 1 is 7. Let's copy that down here. This is another way of saying 3.5, okay? Now let's let x be 2 and see what happens. Half of what? Half of 2 is 1, and 1 plus 3 is 4. So now I've got f of 2 is 4. I'm making a little table down here, or listing what f of x is. Let's go 3. Half of 3 is 3/2. So you had 1/2, 2/2, and now 3/2. Adding 3, you're getting 1.5 for the 3/2, plus the 3 is 4.5. Write it as a fraction. That's going to be, this is 7/2. Here is 8/2. Then it's going to be 9/2. 7/2, 8/2 is 4. Okay. There's 9/2. That's enough. This is going up. That's going up. Everything's going up. Let's pick some what? Negative numbers now. See what happens. Plug a negative number in there. So now you're getting your 3, but you're going to take away 1/2. Okay? Now, 3 is 6/2. 6 divided by 2 is 3. So if I want to have a like fraction here, I've got to have a 2 in the bottom. I'm going to make 3 into something with a 2 in the bottom. 1 times 2 is 2. 3 times 2 is 6. This is 3, and then 6 minus 1 is 5/2. So when you have f of minus 1, you're going to get 5/2. Looks like it was 9/2, 8/2, 7/2, 5/2. Let's go ahead and do f of minus 3. Skip a couple of numbers. 1/2 times what? Minus 3 is negative 3/2 plus 6/2. This is 6/2, which is 3/2. So we're going down to 3/2 here. Okay, here we go. Let's go skip a couple more numbers here. Plug in your negative 7. That's going to be 7/2 minus 7/2 plus your 6/2. 3 is 6/2. And finally, you get f of x is a negative number. Let's copy that down here, and let's go back to our 4 choices. Is f always positive? Well, you got a positive, 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 positive. Uh-oh, f of x is negative. You got to get rid of this one. Well, we said it's always negative. It's not always negative, and it's not always positive, is it? Now we got if x is negative right here. If x is negative, here f of x, here's x is negative 1, and you're getting a positive f of x. So if x is negative, f of x is negative. This f of minus 1 disproves answer C. Here x is negative, and f of minus 1 is a positive. So it's not C. But it turns out if you have 1, 2, 3, and so on, if x is positive, then f of x is going to be positive. So this must be our choice. You can look back here and see that. Here you got a positive 1, you're getting a positive. Positive 2, you're getting a positive. Positive 3, you're getting a positive. Okay, so we're going to pick answer D.